Hi, in this video today I want to show you a quick guide on the Dyson fan. This one here is an AM07, so it's a cool air only. Really straightforward to use. We have our little remote control here and we have a nice little home for it just up here, and it's magnetic. So if you put it there, you can see it pulls itself into place. That way then you're not going to lose your remote control. So if we take our remote control and bring it down to here, we can either turn on the fan from here or you can turn it on with the remote control. So turn it on now and you will see it will remember the last speed setting it was on. The speed of the fan will go down to 1 and it will go all the way up to 10, with 10 being the most powerful and 1 being the weakest. If you want to oscillate the fan, we're going to use this button here, and when we press that it will start oscillating. It will go from there roughly to around about here, and then it will go back again. If you want to stop it in a certain location, we just have to hit the oscillate button again and you'll see it will stop at that location. If it's not quite right, hit oscillate again and it will start moving, and then you can stop it in that location there. And the last thing on it is the timer. This will go all the way from 15 minutes all the way up to 9 hours. So you can set it, maybe if you're going to sleep at night, you might want it going off for 4 hours. All we have to do is go to the timer buttons here. We have plus and minus. Every time we hit plus, it will go up by 15 minutes, and you can see it's going down here. So it will go all the way up to 9 hours. And every time we go minus, it will drop by an hour until we get to 1 hour, and then it will drop by 15 minutes. So basically we have 15-minute intervals up to 1 hour. Then after that, it's every hour. So it's nice and straightforward. And then we just turn it off there. Obviously, if you've lost the remote control, then you can still turn it on here and it will remember the last setting you were on. And you can also increase it by holding it down. And if you keep holding it, you can see it will start decreasing as well. So you can find your level that you want it on. So if we want it on 5, I can just let go when we get to 5. So even if you've lost the remote control, you can still work it there. So that is it, a nice quick guide on how to work your Dyson fan. Thanks for watching.